One of the really helpful things to do in order to invite a patient to join you in Attend Anywhere is to send out a text. Now, this can be a little bit tricky to know how to do in Vision. So I'm joined by Dr Rizwan Hussein from Avicenna Medical Centre in Pont-Lamfraith to talk through how to do it. So we've got Minnie Mouse up on the screen. What do you do?
So I'm in the patient record. I'm going down to the bottom right-hand side of the screen, clicking on the Vision Plus icon, and then choosing the SMS option. I type in my message, and then I click OK. And it's
You're
done.
kidding, is that easy?
Yeah.
And what number is it sending it to?
So on the patient details, it automatically chooses the mobile option. So we have a mobile number here, which is entered onto the record. And from experience, it doesn't matter whether there's a space in the middle between the first 5 numbers of the mobile number.